If you need to log into your Hostinger email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest way to access your mailbox, whether you're checking messages from a new account or just trying to get back into your email on a different device. This is a simple process, but I'll go step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's get into it. To begin, open your browser and go to webmail.hostinger.com. This is the official Webmail login page for Hostinger email, so make sure you're typing the address correctly. Once the page loads, you'll see the login screen where you can sign into your email account. The first thing you need to do is enter your full email address. Make sure it's the exact Hostinger email you want to access, including the correct domain name. If you have multiple email accounts, double check that you're using the right one before moving to the next step. Next, type in your password. Be careful here because email passwords are case sensitive, so every letter, number, and symbol has to be entered exactly as it was set up. If you're using a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill in the details for you. If not, type it manually and take your time. After your email address and password are filled in, click the login button. Hostinger will then verify your details and take you into your mailbox if everything is correct. If your information is entered properly, you should land directly inside your email inbox where you can read, send, and manage your messages. If the login doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. The most common issues are typing the wrong email address, entering an incorrect password, or accidentally using extra spaces. It's also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable and that your browser is up to date. If you still can't get in, you may need to reset your password through Hostinger's account recovery options. Once you're logged in, you can start using your Hostinger email normally. You'll be able to check incoming messages, reply to clients or contacts, and keep your communication organized in one place. This is especially useful if you use a professional email tied to your domain because it helps your business look more polished and trustworthy. So just to recap, go to webmail.hostinger.com, enter your email address, enter your password, and click Login. That's all it takes to access your Hostinger email. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.